Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Hunter, and in this video I will show you how to fix device not recognized problem. Actually this problem happened for all version of Windows, so it will better for you if you update your Windows operating system. But sometimes we have many important document in our computer, so we can't update our Windows right now. Who do not want to update your Windows right now? This video will very helpful for them, so don't skip this video. First of all, I want to see you something. I have installed Windows 7 in my computer. See, it's Windows 7 operating system. But you can apply this method in any kind of operating system. So let's see how we can fix it. First, go to Start menu. And here search for Device Manager. Open it. And here you will get an option bottom of this list, Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Click on it. Then here you will see all connected device with your computer. Here you will get an option Unknown Device if you have any problem. So you have to uninstall this program. You will also get an unknown sign beside of unknown drive. So to uninstall this kind of drive, right click on them. And here you will get uninstall option. After uninstall your drive, you have to update generic USB hub from here. Just right click on it. Then update driver software. Then browse my computer. Select it and then click on next. Then apply same process on other one. I hope your problem will solve with this method. Now again input your USB driver, access and enjoy. To get more this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.